Hello guys, so welcome. I want to show you how you can install the AI on your MT5. So you can open your MT5. You can see mine is open. So after you have opened the MT5, you will have the file to install the AI file. You can see, for example, let me say I want to install this file. I will just copy, right click on the file. After downloading the file, you right click on it, or you can use a shortcut which is Control C, or you can just right click on the file and copy. Once you copy the file, you navigate to the now MT5. In MT5, locate the file section on top left, then you go to open data folder. On open data folder, it will take you to a file section of this EA. So you just wait, you will see it open. Okay, so it has opened. So on this you can go to MQL5, MQL5, then experts. So you already copied your file. You just right click and paste, or you can use the shortcut Control V. So we paste here the file. So the file will appear here. You can see, yeah, you can see this is the file, Xauusd Scalping AI 1. So once you have the file here, you return now to MT5. You go back to MT5, then you refresh. You click on, it's either you can close MT5, and open it again, or you can just click here and refresh. You refresh, and then you can check and see if you can see, yeah, you can see it is appearing here. So as soon as you refresh, the file will appear here. So what you can do now is, you let's assume it was another pair that was here. Let's assume it is not gold, because this is designed to trade gold. So let's assume it is now, you have GBP USD. So you want to trade gold, and gold is not here. So you just search for gold, XAUUSD. So in this case, I have gold already here. It is here. But in case it is missing here, you just search here gold, then you click enter. You'll be able to find it. So you drag gold, you just uh, double tap here, then you hold and drag it to the chart. Double tap here, hold and drag. So you can see now we have gold on the chart. So now the next thing is, you put this AI now, or the EA on the chart. You also go to the EA that you just installed. You double tap, then you drag and drop it to the chart, then you click yes. So it will open, it will give you this screen. If there are some of the settings you need to change, for example, you can see it has the input percentage risk. This is the risk you will be risking on the account. For example, if I want to risk only 1% of the account, I will put 1 here. Then I can also check the other things that maybe I want uh, to change. Uh, Let me use the other AI. Let me use this. Uh, once I drag the AI on the chart. I can now, you can see this one is already set 1%. You can also input, once you set the percentage risk, there is no need to set the lot size. But if you want to have a consistent risk lot size, you can just input here, for example, 0.01. That is if you want to use a consistent risk. If not, you just leave it as it is. Then you can also uh, input maximum positions when the positions are opened. As you can see right now, there are three positions running. So when it opens, it will be opening three positions. So if I don't want to open three positions, if I want only maximum of two positions, I will just change to two. Then you can also input the maximum positions total, that, for example, the EA may find a signal, but you still have open positions. So you can limit the number of positions that you can allow it to run at the same time. So in this case, I have limited it to 10. You can also limit it, maybe let's say to 4 or 5 or 6, depending on your account size. Then the rest of the things like stop loss, you do not have to set. You just leave it. It is automatic. It is based on the ATR, average true range. Uh, so it will just adjust itself automatically. And then also TP, you don't have to set. You just leave it as it is, because it will just adjust itself. You can see there is TP1, there is TP2. This is partial TP. Then trail, you can trail the remaining position uh, with this multiplier. It will just do this automatically. Then there is something else you can set here. For example, you can move the AI will be able to move the stop loss to entry. So you can see that after X number of pips in profit, for example, here it is 50, you can decide to give it 60 or 70 pips. Let's say it goes 70 pips in profit, the AI will just move stop loss uh, to break even, that is to entry. Then there is another thing maybe you can set, but most of the settings are automatic. You don't need to set anything. The rest you can just leave it as it is. You can also check here. uh, Another thing you can change here, let's see what you can change. The maximum, the profit target for the day. You can see that you can set the profit target for the day. For example, you can see here it is saying 600. Let me say I just want 200 profit, and the AI will stop trading. You just set. Yeah. Then another thing, if you want to set the daily loss limit, for example, if I lose $100, the AI should stop trading for that day. You can set the loss limit for the day, so that the AI will stop in case you reach that level. So let me put 200. If I lose 200, the AI will stop trading. Then you can see also the maximum consecutive losses. For example, the AI will open the first trade and it will hit stop loss, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth. So you just put the number. Once it reached that number, it will also stop trading for the day. Then there is other things you can set. For example, the maximum, the re-entry. This re-entry, this is in seconds. How much time it might take for it to take another trade. You can see, uh, since this is in seconds, you can decide if you want to give it like 30 minutes. So 30 minutes in seconds, that is 30 times 60, 1800. So you can just put here 1800. 1800, this is seconds. This will determine a re-entry in case there is a in case there is a uh, in case there is a re-entry signal. So it will base on this. Then another thing maybe you can set, let me see. The rest of the things you just leave it as it is. Then you click OK. So once you click OK, you will see the AI will just load itself on the screen. You can see the dashboard. The dashboard has just appeared on the screen. You can see the dashboard is here on the screen. Uh, you can see also on the on the top right of the screen, the AI is listed there with the name of the AI. Then on the left, you can see the dashboard. So currently, you can see that the statistics. It gives you the reason why there is no entry right now. So this is how it will appear. Then you need to enable algo trading. For example, right now, this one, you can see that where the cursor is, algo trading on the top, this section. For example, if you are setting this EA for the first time, let me just disable algo trading for a moment. uh, if I disable, we will just wait to see what happens. If you disable this algo, uh, this algo, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Uh-huh. Just hanging. So uh, what you do here, you just click on algo trading, then you will click allow. So once you allow, you will see that this section, it is normally in red. For example, right now you can see now the algo trading is not enabled. So once you set up the EA and you want the EA or the AI to start uh, taking the trades, you just click on algo trading. So once you do this, you just leave it like that. Then there is another setting you can do, so that you, because no, this EA, it only takes trades if your PC is on. If your PC goes off, then there will be no threats if there is a perfect entry. So for you to help it, you need to keep your PC always on. So there is a setting you can do to your PC. Just go to settings. You can go to settings, power and battery. Then where you will see the option PC sleep, you can just turn it off so that the PC will always be on as long as it is connected to power. So since the AI only trades during the London session and New York session, so you just make sure the PC is on during those sessions. Or if you do not use your PC for a lot of work, you can just leave it on for the whole week. Let's say from Monday to Friday, you can leave your PC on. You can leave your PC on so that it can be able to execute threads. Then you can switch it off on maybe on a weekend. But if there is no issue with your PC, there is no reason for you to switch it off. You can just leave it on. There is no issue with that, and the AI will be doing its thing. It will be taking the trades automatically from your account. So I want to show you how you can set uh, your PC so that it does not go off, it does not sleep, so the screen does not sleep. So the as long as the PC is on, the AI will always be on. So let's just wait for a second to see how the it will be opening. Settings on your PC, settings on your PC, then you click Then you click power and battery settings, PC sleep. So you look for that setting. I don't know why it is taking too long. It's taking too long, but I think we can stop from there. So that setting, you will need it because it is necessary so that your PC is always on. Do not forget to turn on this to turn on uh, to turn off that setting where your PC is allowed to sleep. Yeah, so let's look for settings. The settings app. You can see there it is opening, but in my PC is a little bit slower because it has been on since Monday. So I'll just open this. I'll just open these settings. Uh, yeah, so open the settings. You can see the current positions are running. Uh, the current positions are running, and today there was another entry in the morning. London Open. There was a The EA was able to take trades, and they closed in profit 100 pips. And you can also use this to pass prop firm challenges in case you are a prop firm trader. For example, I uh, can show you this screen here. The the EA or the AI was able to take the positions today, and as per now, there is no entry again in the other account. There is a proper account that we have connected the AI. You can see here it was able to take positions, and it closed with a profit of $636. And you only need 5%, 8% to pass this challenge. So uh, the AI is still waiting. You can see the status why there is no position taken. It says that there is low volume. So there is low volume, so it can't take a position right now. It will wait until there is a volume and all the conditions have been met. You can see the H4 trend is bear, M15 is confirmed bear, M5 is confirmed bear. But since the market has already moved several pips, and it already, you can see the streak, it has 17 wins and there is no loss. So it is waiting. So I don't know what time the market conditions will align, but you just have to wait. You don't have to rush anything. When you see it waiting, do not be tempted to trade manually. Just trust it and wait, because that is what most traders lack. They lack patience. So this setting has not opened yet. This setting has not opened yet, but I think we can stop from there. We can stop from there. We can stop from there. Uh, I think you have seen how you can set this up, and you always make sure your PC is on. It does not sleep. That setting that I told you. So I will close this recording. I will close this recording. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. We will stop from here.